Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today because my monthly pens, pencils, and more from Avant agenda came in today, and I thought I would show you this month's subscription. So we always get a clear envelope, which I love, for all of our goodies. And this is the test sheet. And let's get into it. So the first thing it says is Teranishi Guitar Pen Petite Trio in Violet. One of the newest releases from Teranishi in Japan for our subscribers. You can't find these pens anywhere else in the United States. So I don't know what a guitar pen is. I'm thinking that it doesn't have anything to do with guitar. But it's a little trio of pens. And here are the 3 colors that you get. And let's see how they write. So they're very smooth. They're not as fine point as a fine tip liner, which I'm fine with. I like these are I believe 0.3 millimeters, and I like that. I should show you the tip. It looks like that. And here is the colors. Now let's see if they write on a what are these, transparent? No, they smear, so not good for that. But nice pens. And I guess you can't get them anywhere else. So then we have the Sakura Pigma Micron pen, size 003, is 0.15 millimeters in black. Let's see which one it is. Is it this one? No, here it is. So it looks like this, Sakura Micron Pigma 003. Oh wait, see, it's super fine tip. So writes very, I mean, it's smooth, but let's see if it writes on here. It doesn't smear, so that's good. It does write on the transparent notes and doesn't smear. So that's good. And it's black ink. And then we have STA Jelly Roll Bold. Imagine that's this one. 1 millimeter white ink with a 1 millimeter nib allows for bold writing nicely on dark paper. Try it on the included pink memo paper. Please allow 10 seconds of drying time, longer on plastic page flags and adhesive notes. So, I love a good white pen. So there is the tip. What? Oh, we got a couple of these. There we go. So you have to let it dry. Oh, there we go. It's nice. Let's see if I have some dark transparent flags. I like the way it looks on a transparent one. You, of course, would have to let it dry, though. And you can kind of see when it's dry. So, there is the Jelly Roll pen. And then we have Fashionable Hues Mechanical Pencil, 0.7 millimeters HB. This pencil coordinates well, offering an elegant alternative to the typical mechanical pencil, lightweight and refillable. You will receive a purple or pink body. So there is the tip. Does not have an eraser, but I'm okay with that. It'll even write on those transparent page flags. And it doesn't smear. So I didn't know you could use a pencil on those. So there is that. And then last we get M&G pencil lead, 0.7 millimeters HB. Keep extra pencil leads on hand in this sleek case that snaps closed. You get 20 pieces of lead. So it's in this little peachy color. You just flip it open and your lead is inside. So I love a good pen subscription, and definitely Avant Agenda does not disappoint when it comes to pens. So if you liked this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. And then if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It helps my channel. And yeah, I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.